is our official fireworks display to officially open the Ikea store, the UK's largest Ikea here in Edmonton.
I'm going to tell you now, the store is open!
Been stabbed and dozens of shoppers treated for heat exhaustion in hospital after a 6,000 strong crowd flocked to the opening of the biggest Ikea store in England. 9 ambulances were sent to the flagship superstore in North London, which was promising to open for 24 hours non-stop. It closed its doors after just 30 minutes.
22 people suffering from heat exhaustion and crush injuries. Cars were left abandoned on the roadside as bargain hunters flocked to the midnight launch of the store in Edmonton. But after about 30 minutes, it was closed due to crushing crowds and fear of further injuries. According to London Fire Brigade, some 4,000 shoppers had swamped the opening. 6 people have been taken to hospital.
Which was 6,000 in the end. It was just overwhelming, and we were shocked by the number of people that actually came. I mean, we planned purposely for 24 hours opening in order to deal with volume of people, because we had offers spread throughout the day so that something like this wouldn't occur. But we were just totally shocked and overwhelmed, as was the police. We didn't expect it at all. I'm just really, really sorry and saddened for both our customers and our co-workers for something that was meant to be a special day.